Hi everyone, I am Vikas. Welcome to my YouTube channel LargeCoder, where we simplify coding one step at a time. And I am going to show you how to reverse an array using a simple two-pointer approach. So let's jump right in. So you can see here we have a array, and we need to reverse this array like this 8765432 1. You can see this is a reverse array. Okay. Okay, so let's move on the solution. Okay, so how we can solve this? We use two pointer approach to solve this problem because this problem is more efficient and this problem is fully suitable to solve this problem. You can try another approach, but you need to know about this approach. So how we can solve this? Like we have a array 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and we need to reverse this, so we can declare one. We can use two pointer, one from 0 index and another from the last index of the array. So here we declare a start variable, and here we declare end variable. Okay, so we move this start variable from here to here, and this end variable from right to left, and this variable is going right left to right. Okay, so let's move on another slide. Okay, here we have a start variable and here we have end variable. So first we replace 1 from 8. You can see 8 will come here and 1 will come here. Okay, on in another step you can see the start variable come here, and he swept to 2 to 7. You can see 2 to 7. Okay, on the third sweep you can see 8 7 6. Okay, so in third sweep we swap this 3 from this 6. Okay, so 6 and 3 here, and on the fourth sweep we swap this 4 from this 5. Okay, so you can see the 5 4. Okay, so let's move on the pseudocode. You can understand very well with the help of pseudocode. Okay, so here we have a pseudocode. Like first we need to initialize start variable from 0, that point first element of the array. Okay, then we need to initialize end to the length of array -1. Okay, because the array index start from the 0. Okay, so the pointing is end variable point the last element of the array. Okay, then after we initialize while that start is less than end. In the condition we give start is less than end, and then swap the element at start and end. Then increase increase start variable by 1 and decrease end variable by 1 with the help of incremental and decremental operators. Okay. So let's move on the code. So here you can see here we create a main method. Okay, then we create a main function that name is reverse an array. And here we declare argument arr int arr, and we declare a start variable with 0 value, and we declare end variable with arr dot length -1. Okay, that indicate the last element. Okay, so we give condition in the while loop, and is greater than start and is less than start. Okay, so here we we create a temporary variable that called temp, and we store a variable arr star, this one. Okay, and then we assign the start to, then we assign arr start variable to arr end value. We just swap them from this value. Okay, you can see, and then we start again. Then we assign again temp value to ARR, and this temp have the starting value. Here we declare temp variable, okay, and then again we start this value from this, okay, then we increase start variable and decrease end variable. Okay, so yeah, thank you for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. Keep learning.